There's no way Santa's gonna be able to find us. Do your phones even work up here?
Pretty sure Santa's got Slaydar.
Hit him up on LinkedIn.
Oh, I don't like that.
We gonna make it, or is this the end?
Could go either way.
Dad, you said you wanted to get there before dark,
Yup.
but it's dark.
Yup.
So we really gotta hurry.
Dad's voice keeps getting higher.
Kids, no talking to your father. Close your eyes, try to rest. And if you end up upside down in a ravine, go ahead and eat your father and me.
I call him on flags.
Whoa.
Thank God we made it. I did that. I did it.
Good driving, Bobby. Pretty much.